What we are doing here now is we will try to connect or use Candy Oath here in our Daisy UI. Okay, so as usual, just open your or run your code in Daisy UI. Okay, so let's assume you have already created your account in candy.com. Okay, so sign in lang muna ako dito. Okay. Okay, for example, Candy Oath demo. Okay. Candy Oath demo. Okay, from scratch. Then here we will use React. Next. Okay, so as you can see, we can enable other third-party organization here, X, Google, Facebook, etc. If you want to add more, okay, you may also use GitHub, LinkedIn, etc., etc. Okay. Okay, I will add Microsoft. Okay, that's it. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, just click the view details to get all the what do you call this? To get all the necessary credentials here in Candy. Okay, so these are your credentials: the domain, the client ID, etc., etc. And then here, okay, punta tayo kay quick start, and then we will use the existing code base here. Okay, so this is very important. Under URLs, you are going to change this into your URL with ports. Okay, so 5173, as you can see, 5173 yung gamit nating URL dito. Okay, save. Okay, that's it. It's already set. Then we will now install the SDK. Just copy this. Okay, then I'm going to paste it here, and then yes. Then after that, we will now use this Candy provider. Okay, so this is now your Candy credentials. Okay, so kailangan natin to. Okay, works. So open natin. Let's go to main.jsx. Okay, dito natin siya ilalagay. Okay, so just copy this. Okay, paste it here. Check natin up.jsx. Okay, okay lang naman. Then copy Candy provider. Paste natin dito. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so refresh lang natin to. npm run dev. Ayan. So next, dito, we will now add a sign in and sign up buttons. Lalagay natin siya dito. Okay? Ayan. Lagay ko dito. For example, open up the GSX. And then, hanap tayo dito ng button. Then, ito, kunin natin to. Button within the secondary. Button class btn secondary. Lagay natin dito login. Another one, button class name btn dash default or accept sign up or create account. Okay, check natin dito. Ayan. If you click login, dapat pupunta siya sa may Candy login form. Okay, isin muna natin to. Flex. Okay. Then dashboard. Okay. So try natin. Let's go back here and then we will use this function. Okay, so import use candy auth, then dito constant, okay, login, register, and then use candy auth, and then dito gamit tayo ng on click, then login, then on click, register. Okay, tayo dito, let's click the create account. Okay, so allowed callback yours in Candy application that include the one below. Okay, so we will add this. Copy natin, open your Candy auth, punta tayo kay details, callback URLs. Ito, palitan natin siya into 5173 5173. Save. Okay, let's go back here, refresh natin, punta tayo kay login. Okay, working na. For example, create account. Okay, so dito I'm going to use Google. Ito gagamitin ko. That's it. So dito, check natin kung nag-login na ba siya or hindi. Okay, so as you can see, application homepage URI or application login URI. Punta tayo dito. Dito, check natin kung authenticated ba siya or hindi. Okay? So punta tayo dito. We will now add the is authenticated. Ayan. Check natin. Is authenticated. Okay, ilagay natin ng ganito. Check natin, ayan. So, kapag authenticated na siya, lalabas ito. Okay, so, gagawin natin, kapag authenticated siya, aalisin natin ito. Okay? Cut natin to. And, is authenticated. Lagyan natin siya ng ganito. Ganito. And then, yan. Okay. Meaning, nakapag-login na tayo. Okay, so lagyan muna natin ito ng logout. Okay, lagay natin dito si logout. Okay, button, logout, class name, btn dash goes. Okay, pt-4 5. Ayan. Empty. Okay, so if you click log out, mawawala na itong authentication natin. So punta tayo dito, lagay tayo dito ng log out. Okay, on click, then log out. Ayan. Okay, log out. Ayan. Okay, so maglagin ulit tayo. Login tayo, Google, gamitin ko to. Ayan. So as simple as that.